Are you looking to take your behavioral trigger campaigns to the next level? In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Proof for behavioral trigger campaigns in a way that'll have your engagement rates soaring. Whether you're new to Proof or you're looking to refine your approach, I've got you covered, so make sure to stick around for the full breakdown. First off, let's understand the value Proof brings to the table. Proof allows you to trigger actions based on user behavior. By showing social proof in real time, you can leverage urgency, FOMO, fear of missing out, and personalization to dramatically boost conversions on your website. When you use Proof for behavioral trigger campaigns, you can trigger pop-ups, notifications, and banners when users take certain actions on your website. For example, you can show a limited time offer notification when a user visits a specific product page for a certain amount of time. This helps create urgency. The key is to set your triggers strategically. Do it too early and you risk annoying the visitor, too late and you've missed your window to influence their behavior. To get started, the first thing you'll need to do is create a campaign. This is super simple with Proof's user-friendly interface. You start by choosing the type of notification you want to trigger, whether it's a live visitor counter, a testimonial, or even a product purchase notification that shows recent customer activity. Once you've selected the notification, you'll customize the conditions for when it should appear. You can trigger actions based on time spent on a page, scroll depth, or even a specific action like clicking a button. One of the most powerful features of Proof is its ability to personalize. By connecting it to your website's CRM, you can target users with content that's personalized to their interests. For instance, if you know a visitor has been browsing a specific product category, you can show them a personalized notification highlighting products in that category or related discounts. This level of personalization leads to higher engagement because you're offering the visitor something that speaks directly to their behavior. The next step is testing your campaigns. A/B testing is essential to ensuring that your behavioral trigger campaigns are working. Proof makes this process simple, allowing you to test different variations of your campaigns to see what works best. You can test everything from the design of your notification to the trigger conditions. Always be optimizing to ensure that you're getting the most out of your behavioral trigger campaigns. Finally, don't forget about the power of urgency. Urgency and scarcity are two of the most powerful psychological triggers in digital marketing, and Proof allows you to use these tactics effectively. You can display notifications like only 3 items left or sale ends in 15 minutes to get people to take action now, not later. These simple messages tap into the user's fear of missing out and drive conversions. Before we wrap up, here's something special for you. You can actually try Proof completely free from the first link below and get access to exclusive bonuses that'll help you set up your campaigns even faster. That's right, this software comes with a free trial and you can get started with the tools you need to run successful behavioral trigger campaigns. To sum up, using Proof for behavioral trigger campaigns is all about setting the right conditions, personalizing the experience for your visitors, and leveraging urgency and social proof to boost conversions. By testing your campaigns and making data-driven adjustments, you'll get even better results. Remember, the free trial is linked below, and with our exclusive bonuses, you'll be able to maximize the value you get out of Proof. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab that extended free trial using the link below.